Alright, in this video I'm going to try to clean up this exhaust of mine. It has been on the car for quite some time now, longer than I've owned the car, and it looks pretty crappy. So I'm going to see if I can clean this stuff up and make it look kinda like new again. For this job I decided to test out some Eagle One Never Dull. Alright, so I was having some difficult time trying to explain what this actually looks like. Now that I popped the can open, I remember what it looks like. It looks like insulation, except for it's white instead of pink. Pull off myself a decent chunk here. So it'll look kind of like that. Now, just make it kind of flat and what a difference already. I think most of this is just carbon dirt buildup, so maybe I should have washed this off first, but it didn't seem like soap and water was doing the trick, so I'll just keep on with this. This will get pretty dirty, I'll throw it away and I'll get a new one, and then we'll actually start trying to buff this thing so that it shines. Alright, I let that sit for a few minutes. Let's see what this looks like. Alright, so you can see how much dirt is coming off. That's good. I might actually go get a cleaner and see if I can break down this a little bit further, because I really don't think that it's so much that this has lost its shine so much as it's just gotten so dirty over the years. So I'll hit it with some cleaner as well and then see where we stand after that. Alright, so I've got some wonderful AutoZone engine degreaser. I'm going to spray this onto a shop towel and then see if we can't get this a little bit cleaner. I should have started with that AutoZone cleaner. Well, brake cleaner or engine degreaser, whatever. As far as I know, it's pretty much the same thing. Now that I actually have it clean, I'm going to go ahead and go back with the Never Dull and see if this makes an improvement now as opposed to when I tried to use it last time when it was just covered in dirt. Alright, well this does look about 1,000 times better than it did earlier, but it's still not quite what I was hoping for. Honestly, the AutoZone brake cleaner slash engine bay cleaner or degreaser worked more to clean it than the Never Dull actually did to polish it, in my opinion. Now, I did use them together in the wrong order, kind of, so it's hard to distinguish one from the other. So I will say that those two in combination do make it nice and shiny.